Stonedrive provide patio and driveway services for homeowners and local businesses throughout Surrey, West London, Berkshire and the surrounding areas. We are block paving and resin specialists and offer a bespoke and competitively priced service that is second to none. From planning through to design and build, we create stunning driveways to perfectly complement the character of your home. In addition to installing new driveways and patios, we also provide a repair and restoration service to bring tired-looking paving back to its former glory. No job is too big or small for our team. We provide a wide range of garden landscaping services such as fencing, turfing, brickwork, patios and garden maintenance. Our work carries a full satisfaction guarantee. So if you'd like to receive a free quotation or just some friendly professional advice, contact Stonedrive today.